For some reason, people think that you must acquire a formal degree and then work for an investment bank to become a day trader. In a way, I really don't blame people who think like that. As soon as someone hears all the BS jargon out there about trading, it's enough to make them feel defeated and discouraged. The great news is that all the BS jargon was created by people who are no smarter than you and me to confuse the general public. You don't need a formal degree to be a day trader, considering how insanely expensive and worthless most college degrees are nowadays. It's one thing if you want to become a doctor, a lawyer, or an engineer, but I assure you there is no formal degree required to become a day trader. There is way too much competition to work for an investment bank. Too many candidates have undergraduates and master's degrees, so it's really hard to stand out of the crowd. Even if you are lucky enough to be selected amongst the thousands of applicants by companies like Goldman Sachs, you will still have to learn how to trade once you get there. Here's one thing you have to understand. The gatekeepers and HR managers who select the candidates have no idea what it takes to become a good trader. All they are trained to do is filter out all the people who check the right boxes on a resume. What you learn at Goldman Sachs is applied theories and the culture of the firm. If you don't become a good trader and make the firm money, you will get replaced by someone younger and cheaper. If you are old enough to remember, there were a lot of investment banking employees who lost their jobs during the recession and couldn't get back on their feet because they didn't acquire the right trading skills to manage their own money. For the most part, getting a formal degree will just teach you how to memorize facts. Trading is all about predicting what direction the market will move in the future and not necessarily remembering facts. How many times have you ever been in a conversation and you started talking about a specific topic and someone whips out their cell phone to Google the exact facts regarding that topic? My point is, memorizing facts is no longer that valuable nowadays, and all the information you need to succeed can be found online for free or at a fraction of the cost of a formal college degree. Society pressures into going to college, and we blindly do it with complete disregard to the real risk versus reward factor. Technology has made so many things possible, and you don't have to submit a resume to open a trading account. It's as straightforward as opening a bank account. I highly recommend a New York Times best-selling book by Robert Greene called Mastery for more big ideas.